Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a closer look at installing and dynoing our Bama Rev-X by SCT 2 custom tune tuner available for the 2018 Mustang GT with the manual transmission. Now if you're the owner of that 18 GT, you might be looking to pick up some horsepower and torque with an extremely easy to use handheld tuner with 2 custom tunes perfect for your specific vehicle. This option from Bama by SCT gives you a number of different ways to monitor your engine vitals, like coolant temp, air intake temp, air fuel ratio, so on and so forth. So you get to monitor live data on the dashboard, on the fly, within arm's reach of the driver's seat. Now those 2 custom tunes you're getting with this one will include the 87 octane tune or 87 performance, as well as the 93 race for a 93 octane tune. Now that'll give you a good option for the street with 87 and 91, but you're also getting a really good 93 specific tune to pick up the most power that you can make with this particular tuner. Now when it comes to getting this for your own Mustang, you can do so for just about $400, which again is a really common price tag for custom tuners like this one here. Alright guys, so we strapped down our 2018 Mustang GT to the dyno and we ran our baseline numbers just to see what it's making from the factory, and we came out with 424 horsepower and 385 foot-pounds of torque. We then uploaded our 93 race tune, strapped it back down to the dyno just to see what our maximum amount of gains we could get. It looks like after we strapped it down, we ran the 93 octane and we came out with 12 horsepower and 9 foot-pounds of torque for peak gains. Now obviously those numbers are high single digits, low double digits, but the curve gains are really what's the impressive feat here. Now curve gains, we're looking at 18 horsepower and 25 foot-pounds of torque under the curve. 25 foot-pounds of torque is something you will definitely feel off the line. The low-end torque is something you're really going to feel out on the street, especially if you're doing more street driving. Now, if you want to get this installed on your Mustang, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, 20 to 30 minutes tops if this is the first time you're using this for your Mustang. Pairing the device will take a little bit longer, but again, 30 minutes at the most here. Alright guys, since we're in the car here, I want to show you guys some of the features of the Rev-X by SCT tuner from Bama. We've got this plugged into our OBD2 port. The other end's going to go right into the top here, and it'll kick on. Alright, as soon as it boots up, you'll go right to the main menu here. You got a few different options to choose from. Program vehicle is pretty straightforward. That's the menu option you'll go into to actually tune or flash your 2018 Mustang. I want to show you guys how this actually gets tuned. So we're going to go back up to program vehicle. You want to confirm that that's the correct VIN number for your vehicle. Now it'll say internet is required. You want to make sure you're connecting to the proper Wi-Fi, whatever's close to you, have a really good signal. It'll support all your vehicle files if you're using that from the cloud. Alright, so over Wi-Fi, it downloads some of those newer files and it'll tell you that your car is now up to date with the newest files available for your vehicle. You hit OK, we'll start moving forward. At this point, it'll ask you for the cloud sync. Now you can press continue to sync available files with the cloud. Since our tune is on the cloud, we're going to hit continue. You'll be given a street use notice. The device is not legal for sale or use in California on any pollution-controlled motor vehicles. Press continue to start. You just want to hit continue to agree to that. Make sure your ignition key is in the on position. You don't want to fully start your Mustang just yet. Just make sure it is turned on. At this point, you'll be given all of the options for the tunes you have on the device. Now, as you can see, we have a number of different tunes for our 2018 GT. The one that we're actually using today is this 93 race tune at the bottom. We've got 93 octane in the tank, so we want to see what the most we can get out of this car is going to be with this tuner. Now, when you turn yours on for the first time, you'll have your 87 and your 93. You won't have all of these options here. Since we've done a little work to our 18, we've got a bunch of more options. So what we're going to do is go into the 93 race tune we've got for today, and it'll take you through your 0 to 100% loading. So in the next section, you'll be given this prompt to let you know that if you have a preloaded tune on the device, it will be disabled with our custom tune. So we're just going to hit confirm. We don't have to worry about that today. So at this point, since this is a new device being paired with our 18 GT, it'll say the device isn't paired and you want to hit confirm to pair this device with your Mustang. Now again, your custom tune will pop up, the one you selected in the beginning of this option. You're going to hit continue and it'll start processing. Before it actually flashes your Mustang, it's going to save your stock tune file to the device, so if you ever wanted to revert back to stock, you could do so right on the device without having to go back to Ford. All right, at this point, it'll prompt you to turn your key off. So you'll hit that start stop button to turn it off. You'll be prompted again to turn it back on. At this point, the program is complete. You've got the 93 race tune installed on your 18 GT and you're good to go. The gauges and data logging menu is probably one of the better options in this particular device. It'll give you your turn key on. You want to make sure your ignition is started. We hit continue. It'll move along so that you can actually monitor and track a bunch of different engine vitals on the fly and data log with your tuner in case you want to make adjustments to it. So we're working with the Ford gas. Obviously it's newer than an 08, so that's the option we're going to check. We're going to hit continue. It'll load up what we needed to load up, scan the data log file, and then we'll be able to monitor a bunch of different engine vitals. As you can see, there's two gauges on here now, the control module voltage and the coolant temp. Now if I wanted to select one of these, you can check the item and then switch it over to, say, an intake air temp. Hit approve, it'll swap out. So intake air temp and coolant temp. These are just a couple of options you can actually record and data log. Now you can swap those out with a bunch of different options. You can hit item, swap it down for your RPMs, hit approve, it switches out. You can switch out a bunch of these different gauge layouts as well. You can monitor up to 6 things at once with different gauge layouts, so that's a really good option to have. Going back, we're going to stop data logging, it'll exit out, take us back to the main menu. Vehicle functions, you can read DTC codes or diagnostic trouble codes. Anytime your check engine light comes on, not sure what it is, you can read that code. It'll give you the code and the description of it so you can get that taken care of and then clear the code and get rid of that light. That's a good feature to have as well. It'll give you your vehicle info, your VIN number, things of that nature. Device info, the same way. It'll give you the device name, your device part number, and your serial number, which is important for when it comes time to actually get tune updates. Device settings, you can check for updates. You can connect to Wi-Fi, which is a really cool feature with the Rev-X from SCT. When you connect to your Wi-Fi, you can then cloud file sync. So essentially, when you get tune revisions in the future with your free Tunes for Life program that you're in, once you purchase this, you'll get tune revisions sent to the cloud from Bama, which eliminates the need of using USBs connected to your computer. You connect to Wi-Fi, you can download those tune update revisions from the cloud directly to your device over the internet via Wi-Fi. So that's going to take you through all those features. Some of the cool things is just data logging and monitoring your engine vitals on the fly. If you have a windshield mount, you can mount this in your point of view, monitor those as you're driving. All right, that's going to wrap up my review, install, and dyno of the Bama Rev-X by SCT tuner with 2 custom tunes for the 2018 GT Mustang with a manual transmission. If you're looking to pick up horsepower and torque gains, especially under the curve at the low end, this is a really good device to have, especially if you're looking to monitor some live engine vitals on the fly within arm's reach of that driver's seat. Have a DTC code reader, being able to read it and clear it, as well as some data logging features, Wi-Fi capabilities, so on and so forth. If you want to pick this up for your own S550, you can do so right here at AmericanMuscle.com.